That's Sunteck Realty for you. That stock is down about 2 rupees or so. The news coming in on Sunteck is that it's raised 55 crore rupees through private placement of NCDs. Now, the NCDs are non-convertible debentures, so the debt side of business, they have raised some money. We will try and speak to the management to get more details. Mr. Kamal Khaitan, CMD at Sunteck Realty, is joining us now. Mr. Khaitan, thank you so much for speaking with us at NDTV Profit. Can you tell us why have you gone in for this fundraising 55 crore rupees through NCDs?
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Khaitan. Can you tell us why have you gone in for this fundraising, NCDs worth 55 crore rupees?
Yeah, good afternoon, Anisha. Yeah, this is actually this. As you know that Sunteck is a lower leveraged company with its debt is negligible compared to the size of the balance sheet, and it is in our continuous effort to keep our debt low and to bring down the cost of debt. This was a small maiden first time NCD we have done. So we wanted to do a issuance of this small 55 crore to test the market and reduce our cost of borrowing, which is our average cost of borrowing is today 12%, and we have got it at 11.7%, which constitutes in fact 11.15% on monthly basis.
Can you tell us what is your total debt? How much of it have you refinanced?
And this is the total debt is approximately around 700 crores. That's secured debt, and which we have started with this mortgaging of the one property against one property, one small property. We tried to take this NCD, and going forward we will further leverage on other properties. And because out of the 25 properties or 24 properties what we have and 25 million square feet, we have only 5 properties which are from which we have taken a debt. So we are looking forward to bring down the debt cost lower than 11%. It's actually, if you see this, even 11.75% on the monthly basis, it's come down to 11.15%.
Right. Can you tell us what is your debt to equity ratio? You're saying that debt on the books at 700 crores is quite low.
So debt to equity ratio is like 0.1, 0.5 is the debt to equity ratio, and if you look at the cash flows and we follow the project completion method, so the coming years now all the projects will be booking our profits. So looking at the cash flows and all, this is kind of a negligible debt, and which is only, as I am repeating, at the cost of repetition. That's only on the 5 projects out of the 24 projects what we hold.
All right. You said that you had 25 projects for which 5 you've taken some debt. Right. Can you tell us what the execution is like since you follow the project completion route? How many are coming on stream, and what kind of cash flows are you looking forward to over the next 2 quarters?
So Anisha, as we are in the process of giving out the results of the December quarter right now, very soon. So giving numbers of this kind will not be, I think it's not correct. But I can only tell you that this year we'll be booking one of the BKC's, one big project, that is Signia Isles in this year. So that will give us a big profit, and you will see the cash flows coming from there, and coming from the balance sheet, it will move to the P&L account.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Khaitan, for speaking with us at NDTV Profit, giving us more details of the fundraising that Sunteck has done. 55 crore rupees only. It's a small amount, but they are looking to lower the cost of debt, which is why they've gone in for these non-convertible ventures. With that, we will wrap up the show. Stay tuned to NDTV Profit. Coming up next is Power Lunch.